Welcome guys, let's talk about Jet8 platform. Now Jet8 platform, they want to launch an ICO and then they want to take these stuffs to the next level. So they've already been in operation for a while. You can see some of the brands they've worked with, and then you've reached some other people with their account. So what basically happens is that they're working with certain applications like U2Co, there's a way they call it. And then what basically happens is when people paste their surface, they get rewarded in some tokens. And you can see that from, if you see the success cases, they worked with telecommunication companies like Celsi in South Africa, and then they've worked with companies like Coca-Cola Vietnam. You can click on the videos and see. And then they work with also Revive Vietnam, and then they also work with Pons, and then Yomost, and Pons Philippines, and then Cream. These are beauty companies and the rest of them. So they've been able to touch like almost 400 million people, and what basically is like a social currency. This social currency you can use it to buy anything in any store, like maybe Shopify or whatsoever. And they have very, very good technology for those businesses and a lot of stuff. So from my look of the platform, is a platform that it's going to actually, I think it has a huge potential, because from my notes, one of the things I wrote is any product that is targeted at youth and women is most likely to succeed. Now, why I wrote this is there's a book called The Fall that talks about Google. Let's see it. The Fall. No. Okay, so let's talk about the hidden DNA of Apple, Amazon, Facebook, and Google. How they actually works. Like there are companies that appeal to maybe the passion side of it. That those are companies like Facebook. Then this other guy said Google is like God. Okay, Google is like a company. Maybe in those days you needed something, you ask God, but now you ask Google, though it's almost at the negative side of it. And then you want to invest in companies that touches all this stuff. If it is in the information side of it, companies that touches the emotional part of humans, because you want to be investing in all these companies. So they already have a working model, and they've worked with a lot of clients. You can check up the website and see what they are actually made up of. So they will be running an ICO, and this ICO, you can see the news and the rest of them. This ICO is going to be very, very huge, and they're also offering a bounty campaign. If you download their app, you get 100,000 Jet coins, which is worth $10 for the now. So, and if they can take these stuffs more further, because they worked with companies in Philippines, South Africa, and then Vietnam, if they can push these things further to other parts of the world, it's going to make a lot of sense. However, I want all my videos are not sponsored, so this is not a financial advice or soliciting that you should invest in a platform like this. I'm just taking this information as an information and do your own research on this platform. If you check their Telegram group, I think if you check their Twitter, it's very, very okay. If you check their Telegram group, you can see how big you already have like 600 over 6,000 people in the Telegram group. and they've had, so you can click on the success case and see what they've been doing. So guys, keep your eye on this project. I will be bringing you more ICOs that are going to take place in the upcoming space, and do have a very good day.